Okay, question number 15. What is the center of gravity of an object? So, geometrical center of the object. See, this definition is true only when you have a regular object and which has an uniform density. Uniform density. What do you mean by a regular object? For example, you have a square, you have a rectangle, you have a triangle. Okay, geometrical centers coincide with the center of gravity. Otherwise, it's not true. Okay, the point at which the weight of the object may be considered to be acting. So, this is the right definition to speak with. Then third one, let us look at what is it. The point on the object about which a net zero torque acts. See, this is also considered to be true if the gravity is a constant. Gravity is a constant. If suppose in such cases wherein the gravity is not a constant, then this definition will not be applicable. Okay, if there is a non-uniform gravity, then this is not applicable. A point where the gravity acts on the object. See, what happens is gravity acts at every point on an object. Okay, it does not act only at one point. Okay, so let us say for example I have something like a rectangular rod. So at every point it acts over here. Okay, but we term the center of gravity as a hypothetical point. It's a point that you created and show that it acts at the center over here. Okay, it's a uniform rectangular rod. It is acting at the center, and there what we do is we add up all this and finally we give a resultant vector. Okay, the resultant vector passes through that point. Okay, that's what we call the center of activity, center of gravity of an object. So therefore, this definition is also incorrect. B is the right answer.